welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this one. This is Vision Original Gonzales size 10 OG skateboard deck. It is in natural color. The skateboard deck's $57.95. It comes with the Tactics T logo, laser cut, Jessup skateboard grip tape, black color, size 11-inch by 38-inch. And when you purchase the skateboard complete, it comes with the free grip tape. And I have the Independence Trucks 169 stage 11 Silver Skateboard Trucks. Original price is $42.95, and I got it for $38.50. It has an OJ plain chain, Keyframe skateboard wheels. It's a white color, 87A, 54 millimeter. Original price is $29.95, and got it for $22.75. It has a mini logo, precision skateboard bearing, black color. Original price is $10.50 and got it for $6.65. And then finally got the Independence genuine parts, Phillips mounting skateboard hardware, black color, 1-inch. Those are the screws for the trucks and nuts. Original price $1.95 and then got it for $1.10. Forgot to mention the grip tape is about $5.95, but when you purchase complete skateboard, I got it for free. So the subtotal is $126.95. Come with the 2 business day shipping, so it is free for shipping fee. And the tax is $11.14. So the total I spent on this skateboard deck is $138.09. So as you can see, the box is kind of damaged by the UPS. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So I got 2 of the Tactics decal. Guess this stands for T, their logo. Got the Independent genuine parts sticker. And then the OJ brand for the wheels. So here is a description of what I just went over. Let's go ahead and check out the deck. So it has a Tactic logo right there. Pretty cool. And those are the Independent Phillips screw. This is the OJ with the mini local precision bearing. Pretty buttery smooth. So you can see the original vision, and then that's Mark Gonzales' face. Last time I had the original one, the green one. So in case you guys don't know this one, this is the reissue one. So got the independent trucks. So back in the 86 or the 80s, they had the plastic brake on the back, and then side rail guard, and then there's a plastic nose guard too. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in your comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.